Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òtúrá Méjì performed divination for Truth and Falsehood. Story. With the following poem, he warned that truth and falsehood were fighting in heaven. So jegeje obeke dewu jereje ofi iboka mole enito bapole dasunwerewere amayo oluware se. Anyone who hides to commit evil against others will be exposed and endangered by that very evil. Truth and falsehood were arguing with each other. Truth claimed to be more powerful than falsehood, but falsehood insisted that she was stronger than truth. Òtúrá Méjì told them that the power of falsehood was temporary and fleeting, while truth, though slow and seemingly weak, would always triumph in the end. Then he sang, Lojo kon, alekpo sika lojo kon. It doesn't matter how powerful evil seems. In the end, righteousness always prevails. Alternate version with the following chant. He advised them when they were fighting in heaven. So gejije obiki. Dewu jerije jeriji. Ofi iboka moli. Enito bapole dasunwerewere. Amayo oluware si. I launched an arrow, and it struck a liar. He who made a long garment to hide his betrayal. The one who hides to practice evil against others will only bring misfortune upon himself and fall into danger. Once again, truth and falsehood were fighting. Truth argued she was more powerful. Falsehood claimed she was stronger. Òtúrá Méjì told them, the power of falsehood is fleeting. Truth, though slow and faint, will always defeat falsehood in the end. He then sang, Alekpo sika lokon. No matter how powerful evil may appear, righteousness will always conquer it in the end.